Hi, I'm Ron Pacioni.
And I'm Stephanie Benzer, and we're with the K-Grant Group. We're here at our newest listing in Tempe at 5327 South Country Club Way.
This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has been renovated and has a beautiful pool outside. Come out and take a look at it.
This beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is located in Tempe with convenient access to the Loop 101 and US 60. The home's sophistication begins with the front exterior and continues throughout. A feeling of luxury is found within the stunningly remodeled kitchen, overlooking the family room and the dining area. The wood-burning fireplace in the dining room is paired with a painted brick accent wall and highlights the modern, contemporary feel that the home has. Every room boasts wood-look tile flooring with a soft palette of gray and white, making the open concept design feel even more bright and welcoming. The resort-style backyard sits on one of the largest lots in the subdivision, featuring a large swimming pool, a 3-hole putting green, and a shaded patio for outdoor enjoyment.
Thanks for watching.
If you're interested in this property or any others, feel free to give us a call.